Yo, what's up, man? We here with Steve, man. You just coming off that battle with M80, man.
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
Yes and no type shit, man. Like, I had limited prep, my own fault. You know what I mean? I procrastinated like a motherfucker. I was like I ain't really feel like rating after that Tulu live fuckery. But like, you know what I mean? I crunched down. I think I got enough off. My performance could have been better, but you know what I mean? I think it went alright. I think it was a dope battle. I mean, listen to my shit, man. Like, listen to the words. The shit's fire. Like, the shit is fire. M80 did his thing, yo. He was dope. As usual, M80's always dope. But hey, I think, you know what I mean? Bias, like, of course I think I'm gonna win, you know what I mean? Hey, whatever. What's up?
Did you think M80 was gonna come like that, or
yeah, man,
was
M80,
that like one of the best M80s you seen?
Nah, man, it's not like one of the best M80s I've seen. It's the same M80 you see. Like, M80's always pretty consistent, man. He got a nice pen. He punched crazy. He kind of looked like a lunch lady. But like, it's kind of like what I said, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever it is, he just lacks that it factor. I don't know what it is, but he lacks that it factor.
See, I'm
like
famous.
I said, Stephen King, you ain't a killer. You ain't a killer crime. I don't know what it is. You just lack that it factor.
Okay. So, you know, you was the champion.
Yeah.
You was the champion. You know what I'm saying? And you know, now we got a whole different.
We got
Trail
Banger
with
and Itchy.
champ.
We had me and Itchy for that title. Itchy won, so it's Banger and Itchy, man. I personally think I beat Itchy, but hey, the judges say otherwise. I know, I think I'm looking at a judge right now in his face, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. I mean, I don't give a fuck, but like, hey, let me catch another title shot. It's curtains, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, so who you looking forward to battling?
I mean, whoever's fire. Like, I don't really care if you ain't had 5 battles, you had 1 battle. If you got fire shit, I'll battle you. If you got dope, if you got trash shit, I don't really want to battle you, bro. Like, no offense, man, but I don't want to battle Ghost. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't battle Ghost. Unless, like, he steps his pen up. You know what I mean? He hardly writes. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Like, if you got a nice pen and you spit your shit, I'll definitely battle you, man.
All right, look, what's up with the Dopesters Club? You new to the Dopesters and all that?
Yeah, man, Villa hit me up. He's like, yo, you want to be a Dopester? I'm with it. Like, let's go, you know what I'm saying? Like, some of my shit versus Banger was dry. Maybe I need some motherfuckers behind my back. Like, let's go, you know what I mean? Everybody, my old motherfuckers, they too busy, so, you know what I mean? Let's go, you know what I'm saying? I support them, they support me, we with it.
Okay. So how you feel about battle squads? Like groups?
Cool, man, as long as it don't get too big where you can't be, you know what I'm saying? Like, alright, right now I can't battle Villa, I can't battle Dequan, I can't battle Shad Nix, Barbell. That's cool, but if it gets too big, then it's a problem. You know what I'm saying?
One more little question. How do you judge battles?
How do I judge battles? I mean, it depends. Like, I don't really sit down and hit the point system and shit. It's more like the eye test, you know what I'm saying? Like, you watch the battle, I'm not really crazy on the crowd reactions, because sometimes the crowd ain't getting shit. But, you know what I mean? You gotta listen to what's being said. Like, I had a triple entendre in there. Maybe they got it, maybe they reacted, but they ain't see each meaning. They didn't see the first meaning, they didn't see the second meaning, maybe they caught the third meaning. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you gotta watch it on cam. Like, you gotta watch it on cam. Sometimes, like, motherfucker said I lost the battle to Banger in the building, but I won that shit on cam. I swear on my life I won that shit on cam.
Alright, sat me out.
Yo, Smug TV, D West, my motherfucker, yo, NCBL Steve Spanish.
Smug TV, 1, 2, get shot, get shot. Salute the Pittsburgh Bears. I do everything. Smugged out. Watch and subscribe. Thank you.